Today I'm going to show you the proper way to install the LBZ LMM intercooler outlet elbow. It is a common question that we get and phone call we get, the proper way to install it. People have issues getting them on. So today I'm going to show you the correct way to put it on to hopefully prevent any sort of installation issues. To show you how to install it, we got the outlet elbow itself. We have the two O-rings that will go inside the elbow, and then the clip ring that holds it on itself onto the intercooler. You are going to want to install the O-rings inside the two grooves here. You'll want to install the O-rings dry to prevent any sort of interference with the O-ring on the intercooler outlet itself. Once we have these installed, then we will go ahead and grease those. So I'm gonna get these put in real quick here. So now you can see we have the O-rings installed. They are dry. We're not gonna go ahead and grease them yet. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and install the clip onto the intercooler outlet elbow. You'll want to install the clip first, because what that'll help is when you're going to install it onto the intercooler, you'll actually be able to tell when it's clipped into place. So we're going to install that like so. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just take a little bit of Lube Guard assembly glue. Dr. Trainees is another brand name for it as well too. This is a transmission assembly gel, so it will disintegrate at low temperatures. You don't have to worry about it getting into the intercooler system, and you don't need much of it at all anyways. So take a little dab here, just enough to cover your finger, and go ahead and coat those O-rings. Get a little bit more. Gonna be hard to tell there, but there is a little bit of grease on there. Now from here, pretty simple installation. You're gonna take the intercooler outlet elbow, line it up with the outlet, and just gonna take a little bit of pressure here, wiggle it back and forth, and kind of rotate it. And once you see that clip start to pop, you know you're getting right in the right spot. And then just kind of reposition it back into place. There we go. Intercooler outlet elbow is installed. That thing's not coming off. You can still rotate it to position it to line up with your intercooler piping, so it's still able to use. Obviously, the more grease you use, a little bit easier it is. But there you go, we have it, nice and installed. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, feel free to give us a call at 630-277-8239, or feel free to leave a comment or a message below. Thank you and have a great day.